Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, people of all ages, I come at you live and in living color here in Jacksonville, Arkansas at the Gilbert compound. Now, I want to show y'all something totally awesome. Pop, pop, and yah. Please like, subscribe, and add, comment. Y'all know about that already. Hit that little bell up there. All right, look at this. Man, is that one gnarly pod or what? What in the world even is this pepper? All I know is I'm keeping every single seed and I don't know what I'm going to do with the pepper. Probably just going to eat it online. Probably make a video of it. Not this one, no Corona. Not this one. This one's dedicated to Annie. A little lady named Annie. She sent me a box. Check that out. That's pretty awesome. So now I'm gonna open this thing up and see what we got. Now, what I would like to say is that this friendship of ours started with Cactus. Cactus is very, very, very dear to my heart. And let me explain it just for a moment. My father and I have a skill that I have never seen with anyone else in my entire life. What that skill is we are able to take a cactus like this, and not only can we pet this cactus, we can literally pick this cactus up and carry it. I don't know anyone in the world other than me and my father that can do that. I don't know anyone. Now, we can take these out of the ground. We can do whatever we want. Now, it could be that I just have very large calluses and that I know how to manipulate it. I don't know. But my father and I pet cactuses. He's no longer with us. But we pet cactuses. And I thought that was really cool. But this friendship with me and Annie started with cactus. It's called prickly pear. And it's a fruit. And we make stuff out of it. And it's really nice. That's not what this is, but it's very nice. So, it's cool stuff. Now, she packed this like so awesome. Let's see what she's got. Let's see what we got in here. All right. Whoa, that's cold. I had it in the refrigerator. What do we got here? That's prickly pear jelly. Made by Annie and Aunt Julie. Look at that. Is that not the prettiest thing you ever saw? These cactuses, which I had no clue what they were. Hang on just a second. I'm going to show you some seeds. Should have had these out already, but I didn't. I'm sorry. But check out these seeds, guys. You buy these cactuses, and they have these really cool seeds in them. Now, I didn't know how to get the seeds out, and I was having a really hard time. And I've made a video on it before, and I didn't really like it that much on the green one. But I got the red one, and it had a flavor that was just out of this world, but I couldn't figure out how to get the seeds out, because you can't eat the seeds. Well, I figured I said, forget it. I'm just going to pulverize them and make them a part of the juice, and then I was going to make some gummies. Well, I pulverized them, and guess what? The seeds did not pulverize. So I stuck it through a strainer, and all I got was the juice from the cactus fruit. And now I have a lot more than just this, but I have all kinds of seeds for cactus fruit now. Anyway, Annie's a really nice lady. She's a teacher, and she's in another state, and this looks absolutely amazing. I'm going to try this here in a second, and we'll see what else we got in here. All right. Anyway, I love cactuses. So what do we got here? Another jam. Jamming with Annie. All right. This is called Nuclear Nubella Jelly, made by Annie. Huh. Nuclear. Not really sure what that means, but we're going to find out. All right, see if there's anything else in this awesome box. Nope, nothing else in the awesome box. Cool box. Apparently, she buys stuff from Prime. That's cool. Always reuse boxes if you can. It helps the environment, and it's good for the environment, and it's less waste. Just a thought. All right, so let's try these jammies. I'm going to try the prickly pear first because I'm assuming it's not hot. It really shouldn't be hot. It's prickly pear, and prickly pear is not hot. So unless it comes through my door. All right. Oh, that consistency is amazing. Look at that. That's jam, buddy. Jamming with Annie. Oh my God. Look at that consistency. Guys, that's really cool. Wow. That really makes me reconsider what I do. I may have to start making jam again. That's amazing. I gotta say that's some really good jam. 10 out of 10. Jamming with Annie. That is a 10 out of 10. This is going to lunch with me at work. No heat. That's okay. It's not supposed to have. All right. So this is the nuclear. And I believe she told me, notice the red spoon. She told me, if I remember correctly, she had no idea what this even meant. So Annie, we're about to find out. All right. It smells like cowboy candy, if y'all know what that is. It smells just like cowboy candy. Just like cowboy candy, that's what it says it smells like. It's got a really hard consistency to it, just like cowboy candy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Guys, that's good. Mmm. Wow. I ain't never had nothing like that. You got another 10, Annie. That's 10 out of 10. Flavor. Oh my God. I'm reconsidering my opinions on what I'm doing. That's amazing. Beat me. You got some gummies coming your way. Unfortunately, my mailbox wasn't open. My thing wasn't open today, so I gotta have it mailed off Monday. But it will be taken care of. And the gummies are coming straight to you. All right, so in conclusion, That was amazing. And I am so happy right now. That was really good. Like, and subscribe, and comment. And please hit that bell button again. And I'll see y'all next time. TikTok is coming in your way. And I have an idea that has something to do with this guy. The most important thing in the entire world, our American flag. I love you all. God bless America. God bless you. God bless our president. And Corona, please go away. We don't want you here. Bye.